Hey friends, time to learn math! For today's math, we will get to know one of the most common shape in the world. Polygons! 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 So what is a polygon?
A polygon is a shape bounded by straight lines.
So, a polygon must be made of straight lines and must be closed.
Here are some examples of polygons. The first figure is this, and the second figure is this. They are both polygons because they are closed and made of straight lines. The next figures are not polygons. The first figure is this. And the second figure is this. The first figure is not a polygon because it's not closed. The second figure is not a polygon because not all are straight lines.
Now, let's test your knowledge.
Is this a polygon or not a polygon? You're correct. It's a polygon because it's closed and made of straight lines. Next, polygon or not polygon? Not a polygon because it's made of not straight lines. Next, correct. It's a polygon because all are straight and is a closed figure.
Now, take a look at your surroundings. You should see a lot of polygons.
From your TV, picture frame, switch, calendar, and even your door are all in the shape of a polygon.
Alright, here are some other important things that you should know about polygons.
In a polygon, there is a so-called sides and vertex. The sides are the straight lines that makes the polygon. So in this polygon, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. On the other hand, the vertex is the point where the two sides meet. So in this polygon, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 vertices. Next, how many sides does this polygon have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 sides of this polygon. How many vertices are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are also 7 vertices of this polygon.
Polygons are given special names depending on the number of sides it have.
The special name given to a polygon depends on the number of sides. A polygon with 3 sides, you call it a triangle. 4 sides, a quadrilateral. 5 sides for pentagon. 6 sides for hexagon. 7 sides for heptagon. 8 sides, non-octagon. 9 sides, nonagon. And 10 sides, decagon. For 11 sides, you call the polygon as ondecagon. 12 sides for dodecagon. From 13 and above, you can call it 13gon, 14gon, and 15gon, and so on.
So friends, next time if you meet a polygon, make sure to name them properly.
Alright, that's it for today's math. I hope you enjoy and learned something. If you want me to explain other math lessons, don't forget to comment down below and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye!